Hi guys, I'm Ankita Chaturvedi, and in today's video I'm going to tell you a few makeup essentials which you should include in your daily makeup kit. So if you're a beginner and you don't know what to include and what not to include in your daily makeup kit, so you're at the right place. So let's get started with the video. So the first thing I do before applying any makeup is moisturizing my face, which is a very important step. So for moisturizing, I use this Olay Total Effects. I have been using this cream for quite some time, and it has given me fabulous results, and you can also give it a try, and as it is very affordable and easily available anywhere in the market. So the second step is application of base makeup, for which I generally use foundation, but as you are just getting started with makeup, you can start it off with BB cream, as it is light on your face and it gives you the much needed coverage. So the BB cream which I am using is from Garnier, and it is one of my favorite products because I have been using this when I started makeup, and it's still going on, and it gives me the right amount of coverage which my skin needs, and this is really perfect for people who are college going or office going, so you can definitely opt for it. Third step is application of a compact powder or a face powder. So the face powder I use is from Revlon, and it gives your base makeup a matte finish, and it controls oil on your face if you have an oily skin. So it is a very important step to apply a compact powder on your face after application of a base cream. So the next thing you are going to need in your makeup kit is a blush. The blush which I am currently using is from Maybelline, the Maybelline Cheeky Glow in Fresh Coral. You can apply this blush on your cheekbones, and it will give you a fresh and glowy look. So the next thing you're gonna need in your makeup kit is a good eyebrow pencil. The one which I am using is from Nika. The good thing about this eyebrow pencil is that it has a built-in brush, for which you don't have to carry a different brush altogether for this application, and it is highly pigmented, and it gives a very good look to your eyebrows, and it is very easy to apply, so you can always go. So the base makeup is all set, and we can jump into the eye makeup. So the first thing you're gonna need for your eye makeup is a good eyeshadow palette, and the eyeshadow palette I am currently using is from Maybelline, the Nude series. This has all the natural colors, and all the colors are subtle, and all these colors are really good for a daily makeup. So after applying eyeshadow, you can always go for a good liquid eyeliner. The eyeliner I'm using is from Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner. You can also opt for this one, as it is a very good eyeliner. I have recently purchased it, and it is giving my eyes a very good look. As you can see, I have already applied it in this video. So the next step after applying eyeliner is application of a good mascara. There are so many brands available in the market, but the one of which I use is again from Maybelline, the Colossal Volume Express Mascara. This is a very good mascara. It gives the lashes a very good volume, and it makes the eye look more bigger and attractive. So you can also go for this mascara. So the last thing you will need in your makeup kit is a good lipstick. There are so many brands available in the market, so many shades available in the market. You can opt for your favorite color and your favorite brand. The one which I am using now is the MAC lipstick. It's the Ruby Woo shade, which I'm currently wearing. As you can see, it's a very good shade, and if you want, you can also opt for this one. But again, there are lots of other colors available, and you can always go for your favorite one. So just a quick recap, guys. You will need a moisturization cream, a BB cream, a compact powder, a good blush, a eyeshadow palette, a good eyeliner, a good mascara, a good eyebrow pencil, and last but not the least, a lipstick. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you like it. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, goodbye.